Hey guys, how's it going? All right, I want to give you a quick little video of some upcoming projects. As you can see here, I have picked up a bag of 50 daffodils. 25 of them are Dutch Master, 25 of them are Fortune with the little orange thing in it. Also picked up 6 more rubra, actually 4 there and 1 here. So 5 more rubra fritillaries or crown imperials. Here's a yellow crown imperial. Here's some six checkered lilies for $3.99, as you can see on the package there. They're little, some people call them snakeheads. Also, here is a Persian lily, part of the fritillary family, and 4 iris bulbs. Harvest of Memories is the yellow one, and Fire Chief is that maroon red one. What I'll do is I'll get the hose dug for these, get biotin starter fertilizer, put in all the hose, get all the hose labeled so that I can find them in the spring. Not necessarily labeled, but marked anyway, with a little marker tag. And then get them covered up, and then I'll do a video showing you where I put them. I'm just going to be mixing all these things, spreading them in amongst my beds, my perennial beds and stuff, so that next spring, before the perennials break ground, there'll be some flowers. Also, it's a little early, it's just September, but when I was at Costco, I saw this family of 4 snowmen, or Christmas decoration. Like I said, it's early, just September, but we have been looking for a snowman or snowmen for the last several years, and we find some, but they'd be kind of pricey, and we just never would pull the bullet or pull the string, bite the bullet, pull the string. And then once we finally decided to go get one, they would be gone. But I was in Costco, and they had this family of 4. When I first walked in, I saw this sitting way up on a shelf on display, and I thought, and they had all 4 of them out, and I thought, well, are they selling those individually, or are they selling that as a family of 4? And if they're selling that for a family of 4, it's probably very pricey. I'm thinking several hundreds of dollars, because Papa Snowman is 60 inches tall, Mama is 50, Junior is 41, I think. Yeah. And Sis is 32 inches tall. So they're not, they're good sized snowmen. Pop's 5 foot, Mom's over, up there. So I was like, yeah, those are going to be several $100s. When I get over there, I was pleasantly surprised to find that the whole set was $180. And people were snatching them. I don't even know if there's any left. I think they're already gone. But so I grabbed one. But we'll see, and I'll put that up, the video, when I get those put up this probably November. But I just wanted to show, like I said, I know it's early, but I wanted to show you that if you have a Costco membership, you might want to go try. And if you've been looking, because they're very nice, I think they were on the display. We'll see. So that's one project. All these bulbs are upcoming project. And then I want to show you a couple other things that I'm about to move. I'm going to move my Phantom hydrangea standards, that one and that one right there, those 2 standards. I'm going to move those, and I'm going to put them right on the corner of these 2 driveway beds. Put one right here, and I'm going to put one right here. And then, so I'm going to rework that bed. Also, going to be transplanting this bugbane or snake root or whatever. It's just, you can see that the leaves are crispy. It's getting, although it's underneath this big elm, not elm, big elderberry shrub, and it's set back in there. Just that little bit of morning sun, I guess, is frying it. So I'm going to move it over to the north side of the house, and where I've been doing those hydrangeas and those hardy hibiscus. So that's upcoming projects. Look at this fall in love sweetly anemone, and look at all the buds. It's still blooming on it, ready to come out. It's going to town. I recommend, if you like hummingbirds, to get one of these. I think I've said that before. But this, and I've totally lost my mind. Or not lost my mind, but forgot what these are called. I'm sure you guys know. You can tell me. I just forgotten. I know what it is. I just forgot. Anyway, joys of getting older. Have a good evening, and hope to see you. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in the next one. Please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell.